Today's lesson is about affect versus effect. These two words can be really confusing for people who are kind of uninitiated, but once you learn the trick, things become a whole heck of a lot easier. So we're going to start by looking at affect, because this is the one that more often than not you're going to use pretty regularly. So the big trick that we talk about with affect is that it's a verb most of the time. It means to influence or to produce a change in something. So it's kind of like when you're doing something is really what it comes down to. So a good example of this would be the scolding from our teacher affected the rest of my day. All right? So this in itself can be a little bit tricky, but the easy way to remember this is that A is for action. So the A in affect is for action, and verbs denote action. All right? When we get to effect, most of the time it's going to be a noun. It means the result of a change, so kind of like cause and effect. An example of this would be that the effects of the medication are frightening. All right? So now after you listen to all of this, if you're a little bit confused, one easy way to remember these little things is with this mnemonic, that if you think of raven. All right? So remember, affect verb, effect noun. Okay? Now, with most things associated with grammar, there are a few exceptions. About 10% of the time, affect and effect can change as parts of speech. So, effect as a verb means to bring about. Affect as a noun means feeling, emotion, or specific emotional response. And affected can also be an adjective, but it has to have that ed at the end. In that case, it means pretentious, artificial, or designed to impress. So these little tricks can help you remember which one is which. Remember, affect verb, effect noun.